Morning. Good morning, students. Myself, Anirban Guho, Solar Faculty of Salt Lake Institute of Engineering and Management Limited. How are you? I think nowadays you all are fine with your family member. Now, today my topic is solar energy. What is solar energy? This is the another natural and renewable energy source throughout our world. In our world, different types of renewable energy source will be available, like as tidal, like as geothermal, wind energy, as well as solar energy also. This is the green energy source throughout the world and efficient energy source. What is solar energy? Solar energy is radiant light and heat from the sun. It is an important source of renewable energy. It is the most important source of energy for life forms. Solar energy is completely free source of energy and it is found in abundance. Greek and Roman architects developed with solar energy in mind. Porticos series of thick and evenly spaced pillars were built in order to let sunlight filter through. This is allowed for the right amount of light and heat to comes through. Next, I also discuss how much solar energy the surface receives. About 47% of the total sun energy that reaches the earth. Only this amount is usable, and remaining percentage of solar energy will be radiated or scattered. Now I also discuss the advantages of solar energy. Renewable energy source. Amount of all the benefit of solar panels, the most important things in that solar energy is a truly renewable energy source. Reduce electricity bill since you will be metering some of your energy needs with the electricity your solar system has generated. Your electricity bills up drop. Disadvantage cost. The initial cost or purchasing of solar system is truly high and use of lot of space for huge requirement for huge produce power purpose. We also required lots of panels to install, as well as for that reason a huge amounts of area required. Now we also discuss the basic component of solar system. Our solar system has three method to installation: on grid, off grid and hybrid. There are the basic some equipment which will be required: solar panel, solar battery, charge controller and power inverter. And there are some many others peripheral device like a solar cable and different things. I also discuss about solar panel. Solar panel are the most significant of all the solar energy equipment. They are needed to harness to energy that is being generated by the sun to produce the power. This is the basically one types of solar silicon made device. This is just like behaves as a photodiode. It can convert solar energy to DC electricity. Now I also discuss another device which is mainly required for our off-grid system. This is called the battery, as well as we also use our hybrid system also. Another piece of solar energy equipment in the battery, which is designed to the discharge and recharge energy countless time of the given day. So if the sun isn't shining the battery storage will be provide constant power supply. Now also discuss about another things, which is the protection provided by solar battery. This is name is charge controller. In high sun explode, the voltage by the solar panel has potential to damage the batteries. Solar energy equipment to prevent overcharging, and charge controller is required to regulate the charge, ultimately increase the battery life and performance. Now also discuss another device which is the most important in every system, on grid, off grid and hybrid. This is the power inverter. Basically inverter can we also use to convert DC energy to AC energy. A power inverter is solar energy equipment needed unless on battery power exclusively. There are two uses for power inverter. One is to convert from low voltage DC to 120 voltage AC needed for appliances, and another is to charge battery is connected to the utility grid as well as AC. Use of solar energy as heat for making hot water, water welding and cooking, to make the salt away from seawater, to use the sun ray from drying cloth and towels, and generate electricity with solar cell or heat. Now also discuss efficiency of the solar energy. Most solar panels on people's house, for example, are freely efficient. Less than 40% of the energy that reaches them will be converted to electricity. These panels are efficient, in fact, that you unless the joint device. Now final thought, solar power is the conversion of energy from sunlight into the electricity, either directly using photovoltaics, indirectly converted solar power, or combination. Basically we also use directly solar energy for light energy and indirectly for heat energy. Thank you so much.